Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi week's strawberry latte, and this time we are going to be planning for the week of the 22nd up to the 28th of April, and this is last week's pages. If you'd like to know a little bit more about this page, make sure to follow me on our Instagram, because that is where I will be discussing what happened to my week and the stickers that I have used for this week as well. So today we will be using this kit from our shop. This is part of our exclusive art. This art is drawn specifically or exclusively for the shop by Janie Doodles. And if you'd like to see what my page will look like after I put down all my stickers, etc., then make sure to stay until the end of the video. Okay guys, so let's go through the kit first as per usual. This is the first page. The kit is called A Great Deal of Bravery. Someone from social media already guessed where this is from, and this is from a quote from Dumbledore, and he says that at the end of the year, as he was giving out extra points to Harry Potter, Ron, and Hermione at the end of the school year. So for the sticker kit, you have your date cover, you have your decorative strip, your checklist column or checklist bar, and you also have a bunch of dots here, 3 headers, and 3 decorative stickers. This, by the way, is in our glossy paper. So our glossy paper is cream and fountain pen friendly. I'll be showing you the pen that I will be using today later. So this is the second page, and this is the, oh, there's a fluff, that's from my dog. These are the bottom bars. This is the left and the right one, and then these are teardrop stickers and script stickers at the bottom. So let me go ahead and put down the day cover first. So I put down the day covers first all the time, because it just makes a really big difference with how the page looks as soon as you put down the day covers. Now I see that a lot of the other shops that offer sticker kits for Hobonichi, they are offering day covers or date covers that are single strips. I used to do that. There was a time where I was doing that, and then I realized that it's also, well, for me, it's easier to just make it one strip, and I just align it to that line at the top and this line that runs across here. You can't see it very well because I'm very far and it's very faint, but if you have a Hobonichi Weeks, you will know what I'm talking about. So for today, I'm going to go ahead and put down this script or decorative strip right beside the day covers. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put this, wait, I was thinking I would put it right beside the strip, but I think I'm going to do something quite different today. And it is to align it with this line that shadowed through the paper, so it ghosted quite a bit, but that's fine. So if you have a Hobonichi paper, the Tomoe River paper is quite thin, and it can actually hold fountain pens very well, except for some inks. Now this shadowing is quite common. What is uncommon is this right here. This is bleeding. So the fountain pen ink that I used before, it was one of the Irishizuku Pilot inks, and it had bled through. I did not know that it would do that. I've used that ink before and had never done that. It could be the combination of the ink as well as the pen. So the pen that I used was this one. This is the Kakuno. And the nib was, so the nib I have on here is EF. Oh, sorry, it is F. So I'm not really sure why that happened this time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow this. Or maybe not. Maybe I'd follow. Yeah, no, that's cute. I used to put this right against here, but I don't want to do that now because my Hobonichi is getting very, very chunky. And I want to put all the stickers away from the spine. Don't get me wrong. I really like a chunky Hobonichi because all my Hobonichis before had been very chunky. But I just want to take care of my Hobonichi better, so it doesn't have excess stress on the spine. I mean, I will continue putting stickers on my Hobonichi for the rest of its lifetime, but I'm going to consciously move the stickers away from the spine because I feel like that's the place where there is the most stretching going on, and this is the weakest link, I'm guessing, the weakest part of it. Of course, I could be very wrong. Correct me in the comments down below what you think about the integrity of this book. It is well, I don't know if it's hand stitched, but it is stitched. So that's good. So I've taken my left bottom bar from this page, so the second page, and I'm going to put it down here. I always do that. If you're new to my channel, hello. Also, this is from my shop. I don't know why I'm saying that. And then I'm going to take this beautiful bottom bar, right bottom bar, instead of putting it down here, I'm actually going to put it up here because it's too good. I think I did that also before, not last week, but the week before that, and I think I'm going to continue doing that. I'm gonna switch it between putting the right bottom bar up top or here at the bottom, so I have a little bit there, and I'm just gonna cover that up with decos and such like. I'm actually eyeing this. I've been eyeing this for this little space because I feel like it will fit like a glove. And I was right. It fits perfectly. Let me show you. There. So I still have a few writings there. I don't really read Japanese, so I don't mind covering up those scripts. But if you prefer that, that's fine. Me, I'm like, yeah, I'm good with all of this. All right, so so now what I have is I have a checklist here. I have a space there to write, and I have another space here to write down all the things. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put down all our script stickers. So I'm going to start with weekend. Oh no, I broke it. Okay, as I've been saying in a few videos to be very careful with these script stickers because they are very, very delicate, and I should be listening to my own advice. So I'm going to just do sticker surgery. Also, the paper that we are using is not just fountain pen friendly. It's not just cream because the Hobonichi is not white, it's actually cream. It's also very thin. If you are a long-time customer, you would know what I'm talking about. It's actually really, really thin, and I specifically made it like that because I was trying to find the perfect sticker paper for Hobonichi use. And of course, the Tomoe River paper is unusually thin compared with all the other papers of other planners out there, and I wanted to stay true to that aesthetic. So that's why I picked that paper. You should totally try that out. Even though if you are using ballpoint, it's a really good idea just to try it out. Okay, today, last month or last week, I mean, it was my trackers were on here. So the trackers that I have been using, like this one, is exercise and what I eat in a day. I did not do it this day, obviously. And then I have goals at the bottom. I also did not write my goals last time. Why did I not? Yeah. I guess I was really busy and my goals were very... Oh, I'm going to put this down here also. Were very clear, which is that it is our birthday sale. So goals were very... And it was my birthday. So, yeah. I knew exactly what my goals were without writing it down. But on a weekly basis, it's not always like that. It was just a very special day, I guess. Because it is, if it's your birthday, then it should be. So, this script sticker, it says notes. Let me show you how delicate they are. So, if you see, it's cut really closely to the script. Yes, that's why it's really good to layer with this. If you're a true Harry Potter fan, you know that when I said that the Harry Potter kits that I released for my birthday sale was themed to year one, then you know that this is not a book this is not an image that's supposed to be here, But I'm very sorry for that. My artist drew this and I could not just sit on this for 3 years. So you're using it today. Notes, and then I'm going to take 2 more strips, header stickers, and then I'm going to put one here, which is what I usually do. Well, not usually. I haven't actually done this in a while, but I saw some kits, or no, not kits, some spreads that do these headers side by side, and you can actually do that with the headers that we have, and that is what we have. So I only have these teardrops as well as these dots. I'm gonna put a few dots as a decorative element up there and down here also, everywhere. There we go. So basically what I do is I put the dots wherever there's deco, and then a few there also. And now I only have the teardrops, and I'm going to put the teardrops here on the notes pages. Actually, if you would think about it, there's actually a lot of space for the Hobonichi, or in your Hobonichi weeks. There we go. And this is the spread. And these are empty, so this is page 1 and page 2. No sticker left for us today. And let me go ahead and scoot you on over. Here you go. I'm gonna put pen to paper when I do my plan with me in my Instagram story. So make sure you're following me on our Instagram. It is paperjoyph. Our Facebook group is the same handle, paperjoyph. And of course, all the sticker kits that I show you, only one, is from paperjoyph.com. That is our shop. And thank you so much to Janie Doodles here on YouTube, as well as Facebook and Instagram, for working with us, collaborating with us for this magical kit of Harry Potter, inspired by Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone or Sorcerer's Stone, depending where you are at. And this is the end of our plan with me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like some more planner videos, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us in our social media. You can also interact with us some more in our Facebook page, which is paperjoyph Planning World. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!